गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, माय नेम इज़ अमृतांश पाठक और मुझे रिसेंटली एक डीएम आया था प्रॉब्ली फ्रॉम समवन हु हैड वॉच्ड माय लास्ट वीडियो कि मेरा चेहरा बहुत डिप्रेसिंग लगता है. तो हियर आई एम विद अ न्यू फेस फ्रॉम बगल की दुकान टू टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस. Kidding apart, my name is Pranjal Pandey and today I'm going to talk about mental health awareness. To talk about mental health awareness, हमें पहले जानना पड़ेगा what mental health is. So according to Wikipedia, mental health is the level of psychological well-being of a person. It is the state of someone who is working at a satisfactory emotional or behavioral level. यानी एक आदमी अपने लाइफ के एंजॉयमेंट और स्ट्रेस के बीच में बैलेंस बनाने की जो सुपर पावर होती है उसके दिमाग में, उस सुपर पावर का लेवल हम लोग मेजर करते हैं विद द टर्म मेंटल हेल्थ. जिसका जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग, इफ अ पर्सन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग मेंटली तो उतना ही स्ट्रेस हैंडल कर सकता है एंड द वाइस वर्सा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज. यानी जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के इश्यूज होते हैं जो कि एक इंसान के दिमाग में हो सकते हैं, उनके उसके साइक को इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो दीज इश्यूज आर डिप्रेशन, शिजोफ्रेनिया, डिमेंशिया, different phobias we have, though they are not as explicit as schizophrenia and such, but phobias are a kind of mental illness. And then comes OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder and stuff. But आज हम mainly बात करने वाले हैं one of the most widespread and commonly found mental health issues, that is depression. तो what is depression? Now अब मैं आपको इनफॉर्मली भी समझाऊंगा और फॉर्मली भी समझाऊंगा. फॉर्मली, according to the American Psychiatry Association (APA), depression is a form of mental illness that negatively affects how a person thinks, feels and acts. यानी डिप्रेशन एक आदमी कैसा महसूस करता है, कैसा व्यवहार करता है और कैसा सोचता है, उस पर एक नकारात्मक असर डालता है. We probably see people in our daily lives जो कि post on social media as how they feel depressed. Well, that's not really the case. अभी मैं कुछ दिन पहले अपना Instagram scroll कर रहा था and I found a picture, a selfie with the captions कि guys I'm feeling depressed because of the lockdown, मैं किसी दोस्तों से नहीं मिल पा रहा. अरे बहन, कम से कम बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स तक का तो वेट कर ले, फिर डिप्रेशन का ढोंग पीटना. You don't feel depressed right now, you're feeling sad. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि if you were really feeling depressed, then you won't be posting your picture on social media where your 300 plus followers can rate your so-called imperfections or insecurities. A depressed person feels that they are not good enough, that people will make fun of them, that they behave weird or people find them weird, that they'll push people away from them. So they won't post something so frontal, so I don't know, exposing, I guess, for them on something where so many people can rate them. So don't post stuff on social media with the captions that you feel depressed, because that sends out the wrong meaning about depression. There is a difference between being sad and being depressed. Being depressed is a serious mental issue and we cannot take it lightly. Now if you really want to know कि एक depressed person कैसे दिखता है, कैसे सोचता है, so here are a few ways of identifying a person who is depressed. Now these ways are not foolproof क्योंकि there are many people. I'll explain it as I go through it. Like a depressed person likes to be alone. Point number one, they like to be alone. They feel that people around them will judge them or that they're not good enough or something. So they don't want to show their insecurities to these people, and that's why they start maintaining distance from people, and that becomes a problem. But then this is we cannot for sure say that people who stay alone are depressed, because there are many people, like for say introverts. These people, they like to stay alone. Introverts like to stay alone because they want to be alone with their thoughts. That's a completely different thing. But a depressed man likes to be alone completely, likes to be left alone, not because he doesn't want to stay with people, but because उसे लगता है कि वो लोगों के लिए काफ़ी नहीं है. जी नहीं, कोई किसी के लिए काफ़ी नहीं होता है। यू डोंट डिसाइड कि तुम किसके लिए काफ़ी हो, किसी के लिए नहीं हो। That person has to cope up with whatever you are if he wants to work with you or move on with his life. And if a person believes कि वो he can't cope up with you, then something's wrong with that person, not with you. So don't stay alone. Don't maintain your distance. Go to people, share with them. That's the main, I don't know, cure for depression, sharing. And now we move on to the second point of identifying someone, which is aggression. A person who is depressed is bound to have some pent up, feelings, some feelings of frustration. कोई दबी हुई feelings उसके अंदर में वो गुस्से के फॉर्म में बाहर आते हैं, and वो person aggressive हो जाता है, गुस्सैल हो जाता है। And ये basically this is very wrong to be honest, क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग अगर गुस्सा होते तो नॉर्मल लोगों में भी हम लोग देखते हैं we tend to push people away. Aggressive people tend to push people away. तो अगर कोई गुस्सा हो रहा है सो वो अपने से लोगों को दूर कर रहा है, एंड दैट बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि उसके पास अब शेयर करने के लिए कोई नहीं बचा है, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करने के लिए कोई नहीं बचा है। तो अगर आप मेनली, मैं अपने नॉन डिप्रेस्ड ऑडियंस से ये बात कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको कोई ऐसा दिख रहा है जो कि बहुत एग्रेसिव हो गया है, ही इज़ नॉट नेचुरली एग्रेसिव बट अभी वो एग्रेसिव हो गया है एंड ही लुक्स सैड, देन डोंट ब्रिंग योर ईगो इनटू दिस, don't feel bad that he's insulting you or whatever. He may have some pent up aggression. You just need to sit beside him and make him open up about his problems. The point about a person with depression, a symptom, is that they start overthinking or they obsess over stuff. अगर कोई आदमी जिसको डिप्रेशन है, एक्चुअल डिप्रेशन है, वो सोया हुआ है, उसके घर में एक पिन भी गिरी ना तो ही विल स्टार्ट सस्पेक्टिंग कि मेरे घर में चोर तो नहीं है, ये क्या था, कहीं भूत तो नहीं है। ऑफ कोर्स भूत तो नहीं होने चाहिए, बट होंगे तो घर मूव करो। बट obviously that he starts overthinking the smallest of the things, and he starts obsessing over stuff which is not that healthy. Like he starts obsessing over demeaning himself or stuff like that, which is not healthy for him. A fourth point about a person with who is under depression is he feels left out. तो you're not really left out. हो सकता है तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स वो टॉपिक तुमसे नहीं डिस्कस करना चाहते हो, बट you're not really left out. So don't feel left out अगर किसी को लगता है कि they are left out or something. And the next point is they don't trust people, they don't trust family members, and this is actually a very serious symptom. I'm not telling कि वो अपने फैमिली पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं, एज इन वो कोई सीक्रेट्स नहीं बताते, दैट्स नॉट द थिंग। वो ट्रस्ट इस बात पे नहीं करते कि अगर वो अपने प्रॉब्लम्स बताएंगे, उनके क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो अपने पेरेंट्स से शेयर करेंगे तो they'll make fun of them. नहीं, that's not true. You need to start trusting people. You need to have people who you can tell anything to, and they will understand. They'll laugh with you, not at you. You need to find such people. You need to make your trust on people who are depressed also start feeling useless or untalented. You're not useless. तुम्हारी जो डिप्रेशन है ना वो तुम्हारे अनयूज्ड पोटेंशियल पे एक लेयर टाइप का बैठ गया है. So you need to open up. You need to get over depression, and then you will find out that you have so much unused potential inside you, and maybe you have some hidden talent, some natural talent which you haven't even found out about yet. So you don't need to fret over such small things. Depression में क्यों है? ऐसा क्या हुआ हो सकता है उसके साथ? What can be the causes of depression? ये पूरे वीडियो देखने के बाद आपके दिमाग में ये तो चल ही रहा होगा कि क्यों किसी को डिप्रेशन क्यों होता है. मैं बताता हूँ. The causes for depression can be death traumas. हो सकता है कि उसका कोई करीबी, a person whom he really loves, वो गुजर गया हो, he has died. तो ऐसे समय में a person goes into a state of shock. He breaks down. His mental ability to think properly, to think positively, breaks down, and that eventually leads to depression. So the only thing I can say over here is that I know death is a very serious matter, and for a few people, किसी के लिए उनकी माँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी होती है, किसी के लिए उनकी हो सकता है वाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारी हो, but that doesn't mean कि you go into depression over them. They have died, they have moved on. So you need to move on too. You need to share these feelings with your family or maybe your friends. You need to get over these feelings or this trauma that you're feeling, regarding your person's death, your loved one's death. So that's trauma. Now we move on to the second cause of depression, and probably the biggest cause of depression, सबसे बड़ा cause हो सकता है ये, society and societal pressure. Society expectations from a person are what is set by its rules. What we follow is a rat race. कि कौन डॉक्टर बनेगा, कौन इंजीनियर बनेगा. That's just a race of rats, and we are taking part in that. And the people who try to deviate from that race, who try to do something, of their own, or maybe a startup, or maybe if they have a talent, suppose say music or acting, they are told by their parents कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे, that's the worst race, let me tell you. That's one of the worst races that was ever invented. लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे, वो अगर वो सक्सेसफुल हो गए ना तो वही सेम लोग मुड़ के तुम और उसकी इतनी तारीफ करेंगे. तो डोंट वरी अबाउट लोग क्या कहेंगे. हम लोग यूजुअली नोटिस करते हैं कि कितने सारे probably one of the most talented future singers or artists or actors जिनको इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में फोर्स कर दिया जाता है, they commit suicide because their brain is made to handle the struggles of music industry or acting industry, not the struggles of engineering. And so societal pressure is something we should ignore. Society is something we should ignore, क्योंकि सोसाइटी में लोग हर समय एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे आपसे कुछ करने का, जबकि आपका मन करेगा कुछ और करने का. And now we come on to the third point, which also plays a major role in a person's psyche, in a person's well-being, emotional well-being. That is their career, their job satisfaction. If a person is satisfied with his job, he has very less chances of going into depression, slipping into depression. But if a person who is dissatisfied with his job, if he continues on with his job, he won't be happy, and that will eventually lead to depression. क्योंकि कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको ऑर्डर लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. अगर इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोज पर्सन जिनको ऑर्डर लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो why are you even working there? क्योंकि it's not a job that's making you, that's pushing you into depression. It's a job environment, that the people around you. If the people around you are pessimistic, you are eventually bound to become depressed. क्योंकि they are just gonna feed you negative thoughts, and that's unhealthy for you. Start your own startup, your own firm, your own business. अरे पान की दुकान खोल लो, उसके बाद में फ्रेंचाइजी बढ़ा देना. लेकिन do something of your own if you're not comfortable with taking orders. Don't try to force yourself through those situations, because you will slip into depression if you're not satisfied with your job. भाई, मुझे लाइफ में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, and I think I need to share it with someone. अच्छा हाँ, sure, why not share it with me? That's it. It's as easy as that. All you need to do is open up, share with people. You need to form words. That's the easiest coping strategy. Now I know मैंने जितने भी causes बताए या फिर जितने भी symptoms बताए, सबके साथ मैंने एक coping strategy बताई. मैंने कुछ बताया कि, लेकिन problem ये यहाँ पे ये है ना कि हो सकता है हर किसी को different reasons होते हैं कि वो किस कारण से depression में जा रहा है. हो सकता है किसी का कोई चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा रहा हो, जो कि मैंने मेंशन नहीं किया था, बट हो सकता है चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस कुछ ऐसा रहा हो, या फिर he has gone through an accident, या फिर he has seen something which he was not supposed to. His mind cannot bear it. तो ये सब चीज़ें भी can result in depression. तो all you need to do is share it with someone. अगर मुझे कोई दर्द है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करूँगा, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर करूँगा, अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ शेयर करूँगा. That's all I'll do. I need to form words, I need to speak, I need to share it with people. That's the easiest coping strategy. And if you feel कि there's no one there to listen to you, get professional help. There are always therapists who are going to listen to you. Look for a counselor, look for a therapist who is going to listen to you, because believe me, it's their job, so they need to do that. And secondly, they will help you get through it. They are experts in mental psychology, and they know what you're going through. Even though they may not have gone through that, but they know what you're going through and how it is affecting you. So please don't hesitate, and please get help. And if you do feel depressed, talk to people. Alright? That's it. As easy as that. Don't stick to yourself. So I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and share the video with anyone. If you think that they're depressed, do share this video with them, though I don't know how it will help, but I hope it does. So thank you for watching. Meet you soon with another video. Bye. So that's all from Intellectual Talks, guys. If you did like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Share the video with other people so that they know what depression is. And this was a very serious topic, so we tried to keep it short, but we couldn't. And also बहुत time हो गया, बगल वाली दुकान से कॉल आ रही है, चेहरा मुझे वापस देना है. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, bye.